Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, but here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. For the interview where Cristiano Ronaldo do with Piers Morgan, so Piers Morgan don't release the part 1 and the part 2. So we can hear where Cristiano Ronaldo they talk more things about Arsenal. And one of the major things when we talk about Arsenal, I want to tell you, be saying talk say because when Piers Morgan come they ask and say whether in the hope make Arsenal win the league where Arsenal they play, he can say yes. Say Ingo they very happy if Arsenal will win the league. That is if Manchester United no fit win, I must say Ingo dey very happy because number one, he like the Arsenal manager which is Mikel Arteta, say like the way the team they play and saying they hope say they go win like that. The team will be saying they like to sit down to watch how everything way that they play. So in the wish make them win the league. All the things Cristiano Ronaldo talk, Manchester United they don't like him at all. You get one poster, one mural waiting for front of Old Trafford, we then drop for Cristiano Ronaldo, they don't go come out and like from what the year said, they say Eric Ten Hag is very angry. Like why we go to yarn all this kind of thing for public domain? So they are planning to tear his contract immediately after the World Cup. They just hope say he no go talk say won't collect money for the remainder of the contract. Well, when they see as everything they go, how not they think about what Ronaldo talk about Arsenal winning the league? Some people they talk say in the toast Arsenal like he's saying good things so that Mikel Arteta go reason say we would like to sign him. Even later today self, we will go live you get. So we'll go live, then we will test our new phone number so that people can actually call. That I never even told them about the number. So people can actually call in and let us know everything about the Cristiano Ronaldo saga. So we'll just see how things they go. So away from that self, our senior man Baba Sato will be one of our super pundits of this community. Baba Sato is severely ill. He did very sick. He did for hospital. And on the blessing that yesterday they admit him, so he did for hospital. Now person say day before yesterday, me and just do live review. So he did for hospital. So make una put Baba Sato for our prayers, and we pray that Almighty God grants him quick recovery in Jesus' name and inshallah. I beg, may I keep him for our prayer, make him recover, come join us back because we miss him gone. Alright, moving on. So for those who know they are aware, even though I don't announce them for Facebook and I don't announce them for our YouTube community, so we don't get a phone number. We're going to use to receive phone calls for our live broadcast again. So whenever we go live again, so if they receive broadcast, if we go receive broadcast for the live update, I will tell us okay, the phone lines are now open and the number I will put them on the screen so that I will see. And the number is 070. Okay, if you in case for international people and everybody, you go put the +234 Nigeria extension because it's a Nigerian number. So the number should be +234 70 4000 3689 +234 70 4000 3689. So this is going to be our studio number. Now we use to receive calls where people they tell us what then they think about whatever it is we were discussing at the time where you will enter your call again. So this is a good progress to our community. I will say congratulations to everybody that made this possible. All the people on the bless at you 3K, 2K, 10K, 15K. Now where will our money enter? You get to bought the mixer I told you guys yesterday. So yesterday I also go get a phone and I don't get a SIM card, dedicated SIM card you get for that purpose, and it's dedicated phone for that purpose. Ever since I announced and yesterday I don't get more than 50 missed calls. And the pics on say I want to confirm the line, I want to confirm. I beg, even I just leave the number, make you rest. Get one won't enter the show. And I go feed the caller. So away from that, so make I announce some people who show us some level of generosity yesterday. So the first name on the list now, Iboa Adam. So Oga Adam sent me 15 euros, and that's about 11,550. Okay, 500 naira. So Baba send us that one. So we'll say, Baba God, may you bless Oga Adams. Anyway, we take money to bless us. We say, may you replenish his pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. Oga boss, he get out. I know the Oga Adams. At the same time, Sammy K sent me 5K yesterday. So say Sammy K, may God bless you also, and may God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. And not only Sammy K, Kevin Phillips also sent me 5K. See, these people they send me money. Thank God for you, for your lives, and may God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. I beg, I'm gonna be the real MVP. I'm gonna try. Away from that, so Santi Cazorla don't come outside the talk. Say he would like to return to Arsenal as a coach or as a sporting director capacity, say the way they leave Arsenal, too sweet and for belle, say he won't come back in any way. But I don't know how Edu Gaspar go to take this kind of comment with Santi Cazorla. Like, you want to come back, make them sack me, make them hire you. I mean, what are you saying? I don't understand. So I don't know whether Edu Gaspar will take it lightly or whether he will just laugh over the thing. But for coaching capacity now, as assistant coach, like to join Mikel Arteta staff, because everybody all over the world is seeing Mikel Arteta as somebody they very, very intelligent and a genius, you get, a tactician. So people go like to come do understudy, to come learn work from us. So I never know whether them go like to admit Santi Cazorla, say make him join their camp. I never know. More just the watch. Fulham, Bayer Leverkusen and Villarreal, they don't be interested in signing Arsenal right back, who they call Cedric Soares. So they look say Arsenal no really they use this guy, so make them carry him, come for their own side, come use him. But whether Arsenal will let this guy go, even though we are seeing him as a surplus to requirements player, how many times do they really use the guy? So I don't know whether Arsenal will sanction the deal, because for that our right back, so we get like Tomiyasu they play both flanks, then Ben White before we get Cedric Soares. So I never know whether they would like to sell him, because this kind of season, I don't think it will make sense. We will let him go. Make himself. I mean, would like to make history with Arsenal, winning the league, qualifying for Champions League. Would like all those kind of things. So make himself stay, fight for him place, because the guy they vex since when he come from injury, he never really gets a decent run out to get. Well, he no go blame anybody. Now injury, now do you. So just chill. Bukayo Saka and Big Shoe Charity, they perform wonders for Nigeria. So Bukayo Saka don't pay for surgery for 120 Nigerian babies, get, and both of these children na hernia and brain tumor. That be the disease we then get, that be the issue we then get. So Saka paid for it and everything went on fine. So the Saka then get massive international accolades. Everybody they praise him right now for in charity works. So the guy is very, very generous and the money go into the right thing. So we are very happy for him. I would say any of you himself they get money to bless us. May God replenish his pocket in Jesus' name and inshallah. May he continue the good work. Our Barcelona they keep tabs on Charlie Patino. Barcelona they monitor the guy. Say they would like to sign the guy. This guy they play for Blackpool. For those who don't know, Arsenal send them out on loan to Blackpool. He's playing very well, scoring goals, making assists. Even the coach of Blackpool said they sing in praises, sings highly, talks highly of Charlie Patino. So now back at the reason the guy, and I can't hear say this guy they in final year of a contract for Arsenal. Arsenal never give him an extension. Why they are waiting, I don't really know. Now for in clause, for in contract, Arsenal get an opportunity to extend the contract by 2 years. Get now automatic trigger. They just trigger the thing anytime. But this guy won't. I don't know that anyone go back or whether anyone go. But many points they talk to make Arsenal learn from the way they take treat Omari Hutchinson. We leave Arsenal, can't go Chelsea because of all this contract saga and all that to get. Like see in future for Arsenal, so he could come and go join Chelsea because Chelsea know to get talents like the guy a young boy. They play number 7. They play very, very well. Get. So I don't know how Arsenal will do with this thing, but if now know what they do, unless people will not get plan for Charlie Patino again for the future. But if you have plans for him, offer this guy a contract. If you don't get plan for him, then let him go. Away from that, so Real Madrid they eye Yuri Tillemans. This Real Madrid and Barca, I don't just know what they do them. First of all, Barca they eye Yuri Tillemans as an alternative to Ike Gundogan. So if they don't get Ike Gundogan of Man City, they will come carry this our Yuri Tillemans. So don't they eye, don't they keep for many years. At the same time, Real Madrid now they eye Yuri Tillemans. If they don't get their own first choice, imagine everybody get first choice. So if they don't get Jude Bellingham when they play for Dortmund, then they'll come for Yuri Tillemans. Yuri Tillemans is their plan B. Whereas for us, it's our plan A. So anytime when they're available, by the end of the summer, we will come carry them. So for me, the question when people go ask you, Tillemans is, do you want to make history? Because if you go back at Shola, Benjamin, now you go take Benjamin, Ajay, unless maybe back and one retire Sergio Busquets. If you go Real Madrid, how you want to do it for the midfield? Camavinga did there, Tchouaméni did there. So how you want to play that place? She na Mudryk one bench, she na Toni Kroos. So now, how you want? What you want to do? So I never know whether you get people that advise and well. If better make just dey here wey dey jeje, they enjoy your game time. Our Brendan Rodgers sef don come outside come talk say, see, Leicester City they no get any plans to sell Yuri Tillemans give anybody. So anybody they feel say maybe they won't come sign the guy for January, they hope say because in there on the final lap of a contract, say by January the price go cheap, or maybe they go dey forced to sell him. So other one, nothing like that they happen. So them they look for how they would convince the guy to sign another contract, even if now 1 year, so that they don't go lose the guy on a free agent. Then they won't get some kind of power leverage to sell him and command a decent fee to take replace am. Na be their own plan. But the guy, Yuri Tillemans, won't tell them time and time again, say, I don't want to sign, don't bring contract near me. Either una send me for January to recoup some funds, or at the end of the season, I leave as a free agent. It is your call, you get. Me, I go respect my contract, I go run am down, play am down, you get. So now Leicester get the final say. So I never know whether the Leicester hierarchy, they in support of what Brendan Rodgers they talk. You get. Now when January reach, now when money, then dangle money for your face, we go know what you go find the talk. When January reach. Scott Minto, wey be former left back for Chelsea, don come outside come dey advise Jude Bellingham. So Baba come dey talk say make Jude Bellingham snub Liverpool, snub Real Madrid, snub all this Manchester United, all the people dey reason am say they wan sign am. Make him go join the revolution wey dey happen for Arsenal. Join your fellow Smolly wey dey there. Make na rule the world, you get. Say that is the best place. That is why they dey advise people like Cody Gakpo, everybody they dey advise them. Say even Mudryk, say they dey advise them go and join Arsenal. Na there dey happen. Young boys under 25 with their blood dey hot. Now then they rule the EPL now. So join them and make a change, cause a big revolution, break the monopoly of Man City, Liverpool of the EPL. So whether Jude Bellingham go listen to this advice, I mean no go listen to am. I don't really know. What do I even think? Do we even really need this Jude Bellingham? I mean, Yuri Tillemans we need. I mean, Danilo we need of Palmeiras. Let me know what you think. Our Perry Grooves don't come outside. They reply Piers Morgan on signing Cristiano Ronaldo. So Baba can talk say, first of all, say he don't know where Piers Morgan gets in coaching badge from, or where they get the experience when they talk all this kind of thing. Say the signing of Cristiano Ronaldo to Arsenal, you know, say as the guy Cristiano don't dey toast Arsenal, don't talk good things about Arsenal. Most Arsenal fans man don't lie for you. Don't they do optimistic, say make the guy come join. Everybody get their own diverse opinion. Some of the opinion that he should come and join, some of the opinion that he should not come and join. But Perry Grooves they feel say it is a ridiculous idea. That is his own opinion. It's a ridiculous idea, and at the same time, Cristiano Ronaldo is Aubameyang raised to power 20 when it comes to ego. So this guy go come now, go want to demand an entitlement, go want make the plan all matches. Say if you don't know they listen to what Arteta they talk, I'm go say who is Arteta, what has he won? Like what in they talk for that interview. I've played under great manager. I played under Mourinho, Ancelotti, Zinedine Zidane, Carlo Ancelotti. No, they talk different things. Say who is Ralf Rangnick? Say no go respect Erik ten Hag. Erik ten Hag no dey respect him. Like the guy just be like one kind of god. He's a living legend. Anyway, truth to be told, he's a living legend in Manchester United. So Baba they talk say if we sign him, it is a ridiculous idea. Then it's Aubameyang raised to power 20 is going to cause us more harm than good. So, and like I talked before, later today we will go live. I will drop our phone number. People go call. I'm gonna test our number. I'm gonna test her. We will do show today. People go call. And when this Cristiano Ronaldo joining Arsenal, gone. Nine be the issue on the front burner. Make I not lie, my own personal opinion. My own personal opinion. Because I like to do devil's advocates. If we sign Cristiano Ronaldo on a 6 months contract, don't you think it will put us on a pedestal or as the favorites to win the EPL? Now, one of the questions I go ask you now this night, and I go let me know what you think. So till then. Omalashira self don't come outside. They name Granit Xhaka and William Saliba for a team of the season of the EPL for now. So for the number of games they don't play now, these outstanding performers we don't see for this season. So Saliba did there and Granit Xhaka did there. The way Granit Xhaka they play this season, Granit Xhaka is dominating the midfield while Saliba is dominating the defense. Any attacker we play against, they dominate that person 90% of the time. The guy is playing very well. And myself, I did proud that they put our players in such pedestal. People are happy to associate them with greatness. So now what they give me joy with that? Are they happy? Our Charlie Watt self don't come outside and talk say for the way they talk about Mudryk, say 80 million euros, 100 million euros, say see. He no see Arsenal signing this guy for that kind of amount. And for those who don't know, Charlie Watt is an Arsenal correspondent. In the day for press conference, when they interview Arteta, in the writes for goal.com, and Arsenal writer in the write anything concerning Arsenal alone. So what they talks about in professional opinion, say no see Arsenal signing Mudryk. Say it no make sense. The amount is too high. This guy is not really a proven player. You're playing in the Ukrainian league. That's like no, don't no be like the proper league now. You go no go put that in the caliber of EPL, La Liga, Serie A, French Ligue 1. You no go put them in the same caliber. Then they on their own you get. But when it comes to the EPL, what is the guarantee that we'll not be hearing adaptation, integration? You get giving time, patience. What is the guarantee that nobody hear all that kind of thing? Is he going to hit the ground running? So we can't pay all those kind of money. Anthony will leave Ajax go join Manchester United. How many goals he don't score? How many goals? Change that to the whole ball, they turn around. So that is what we are talking about. Our Charlie Watts don't come outside again. Can talk about the surprise package of the season? So you can talk about Odegaard. So this season, Odegaard now our highest goal scorer. For those who know they are aware, they have scored 6 goals and made 2 assists. So since when they give Odegaard this captain armband, where people they feel say it is a chorus at Arsenal. Since when they give Odegaard that captain armband, the guy can play from good to better, from better to best. The guy is playing very, very well. If to say no be say we know they really clinical in front of goal, we know they that prolific. Like Gabriel Jesus no can they as prolific as we wanted. Odegaard supposed to only get like 10 assists by now because the guy create chances upon chances on the platter of gold and people they waste those chances. That is why I can't be like say the guy know they score plenty. So it is what it is. So it's letting us know that Odegaard is a surprise package of the season. It is a pity that the World Cup came at the wrong time to break our momentum. You get so the pray say by the time we will come back, everybody will continue from when they stop. Make you no go don't say our form can't deep or beg go. More just continue. They hit top form they go. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.